that is so wicked, bro. Yeah, look. That's definitely on the ground. If you look closely. I want to drive into it. It's like a little dust devil. I wish all these trees would clear out. You can see the way it fades at the bottom. That's on the ground. This is real small. Bugs on my windshield. That is wicked, bro. I'm trying to film this while driving and got this dude going slow because he's looking at it too. Weirdest tornado I've ever seen. Yeah, it's on the ground. The closer we get, the better you can see it.